So my name's Rochelle Monk. I'm originally from Pyra, but I moved to Hamilton to go to Marion Primary and Intermediate, and then I went to Sacred Heart Girls College. Well, mostly it was the fact that the teaching style seemed to be quite different. It was a lot more practical than most of the other law schools. And what I found in particular is from your very first paper, you're learning how to moot, you're learning the basics of what you really need to know, where all the other law schools were very theory focused to begin with. And being a very practical person, I felt that was really going to be something that was going to help me a lot in my studies. Loved all the time I've spent here, and I've really felt that I've grown as a person being a part of it and being involved here. I think it definitely comes back to the practical aspects. I've been involved in a lot of their competitions they run through the law school. I've also been involved in the Waikato Debating Society, so I've had a lot of practical experience of what actually it's going to be like when I get into the workforce. So I feel like I don't just know the theory, but I also know what I need to do to fill out paperwork, what I need to do to actually go into the courtroom. I think that's really prepared me well for my future. So probably the most challenging thing for me in Te Piringa was having to choose between all the things that I could do and ensuring I didn't overextend myself. So I obviously wanted to ensure that my studies were paramount, but there was also so many competitions the law school runs and so many clubs that I wanted to join. So it was just getting the right balance between that I found challenging. Well, I'm really interested in criminal law, environmental law, international property and family law, so I haven't been able to narrow it down yet, but I'm kind of hoping I can go into work in a smaller firm around Hamilton and hopefully get a bit of experience in all of those areas. And eventually, after a lot of experience and a lot of practice, I'm hoping I can become a judge, so that's kind of my ultimate goal. I would definitely recommend studying law at Te Piringa, Faculty of Law. I absolutely loved my experience. I've grown so much as a person and I've learnt so much, and I definitely would recommend it to anyone to come along and get involved.
The University of Waikato, where the world is going.